Hello guys, welcome back to Ton of Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to reset G29 steering wheel. So, if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to disconnect the USB cable from your PC or your gaming console here. So this ensures that the wheel is fully powered down before the reset. Now, from then on, on the wheel, you want to locate the LSB or left stick button and the RSB or right stick button. Now, you want to press and hold those buttons at the same time. Now, usually it's going to be this one, or this one or this one. And yeah, from then on, while holding both the buttons, you wanna plug the USB cable back into your PC or console. Now keep holding the buttons here on as the wheel powers on. Now after a few moments, the wheel should begin its automatic calibration process. It should move to the left and then right, and once the calibration starts, go ahead and just release the button. Now in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.